Hey everyone, I wanted to do a quick update on the Mission Host project. It's been about a week since I've given any kind of an update, and we have been hard at work during the last week, and I have a couple awesome things to show you. So the first thing I want to say is that our, as far as functionality goes, we are almost all the way there. We have been hard at work on the back end. That's where the primarily most of the work has been done. And we have it set up so that we can now set up locations and sort the locations by all kinds of different criteria, including by where they are in the map in relation to another place. And basically, we're probably 80% done with the stuff that has to happen on the back end, and we're starting to work on just making it look the way that it's supposed to look. And so I've got a little bit to show you on that front. Here I have a screen that I've been working on, I've been coding. We have a new logo that was donated to us, a new color scheme, and I think it looks fantastic. And this is about what the main screen is going to look like. Now, just to show you, it is absolutely mobile friendly. And so everything that we can do here, we can do on phones, which is a super important feature because missionaries are going to be using this as they're driving down the road. So what do we got? We've got a list here with all the photos. You can see where the place is. This is all the same thing, obviously, but you can see amenities. So whether it has Wi-Fi, whether it has a kitchen, TV, laundry, whether it's kid friendly, all of that stuff we'll be able to see here. And then you'll be able to filter. We'll probably add a few criteria here, but you can put a location in, like an address, and then filter within a distance of that address. So if you are staying somewhere and you need a place to stay, you'll be able to find all of the Mission Host properties within 100 miles or 50 miles or 200 miles or wherever of where you're staying. I think that's going to be super helpful. You'll also be able to filter by type, so RV hookups, profits, chambers, if it's just a family hosting people in their house, that sort of thing. Amenities, you'll be able to filter by those, as well as we're probably going to add how many people can sleep in a location here as well. So you'll be able to quickly filter down that list and find those things. All right, once you've done that, we've created this, I think, really good-looking page here for the individual locations where you can see the photos. Of course, they're never going to look this good in real life, but you can see the photos and of the location. Quickly see how many people it sleeps, what type it is, the max duration of the stay, the amenities that it offers, maybe just a quick description and a map. And then very important, you can see the instructions from the host on the kind of missionaries that they want us to stay there, and then also their instructions on what to do to take care of the place, removing the sheets, sweeping the floor, cleaning the surfaces and all that. And you'll have to say that you read those things before you can book a stay. So the next part that we're going to work on is the actual booking flow of booking a stay. And most of that is actually going to happen between the missionary and the host in the app. So we're not giving away people's phone numbers. And it's going to happen via text message, but the text messages are going to come from the app. I've written a lot about that on the Mission Host site. And speaking of the Mission Host site, if you're interested in this project, we would love donations. None of that money goes to me. All of that money is going to help pay for one of our developers that's helping, taking some time and just giving a serious lot of attention to this. And so if you want to go to missionhost.com and click one of the many donate buttons and donate, we sure would appreciate it. We're trying to raise a couple $1,000s more to get this project past the finish line. So that's my update, and I'll try to give you another one in maybe a week.